Hi, I'm Grant Varn with the law firm of Varn & Segura, and I'm going to give you a little bit of an update today in South Carolina's DUI law. Previously in the state of South Carolina, if you were convicted of DUI first, an ignition interlock was of no concern. However, Section 56.5-2990 has been updated as of October 1st, 2014, and it's really starting to come into play in existing DUI cases. Here's what's changed. If you are convicted of a first offense DUI or DUAC and you provided a breath sample of 0.15 or higher, or if you refuse to provide a breath sample, you must now have an ignition interlock. Now, there's a little more to it than that, and this is where it gets a bit confusing. It used to be if you were convicted of DUI, you could apply for and receive a route restricted or temporary alcohol license. What's changed is now you cannot do that unless you had the ignition interlock. Also, if your suspension is only 3 months or less, or you only have 3 months or less remaining on your suspension, you must get the ignition interlock for a minimum of 3 months. Now, what does this all mean? It means if you refuse to blow or you provide a breath sample of 0.15 or higher on a DUAC or a DUI, you're going to wind up with an ignition interlock. And this brings into just question a whole lot of other issues. And I would strongly encourage you to talk with an attorney if you've been charged with DUI first or DUAC. Now, as this is coming along, a lot of people are asking questions about, does this affect my administrative law hearing? Does this affect my ability to get a temporary alcohol license while my administrative law hearing is pending? Does this affect my ability to do this? Does it change my insurance rates? What does it cost to get this? How does it affect ADSAP? And to be frank with you, those are a lot of issues that cannot be addressed in a 2-minute video. This is why you need to come in and talk to an attorney if you've been charged with DUI or DUAC. It's also important to remember that if you provide a breath sample under 0.15, that you may not be required to have the ignition interlock, but you'll still be required to participate in ADSAP and several other programs. In another video, I'll actually address more along the lines of what happens if I blow under a 0.08 or over a 0.08 and issues such as that. Again, if you have questions, please contact an attorney, and we will post the content of South Carolina Code 56.5-2990 on our website for your review. Thank you.